Hakhiba Jungi Tang Tara Numidang Wairam Yumdagi Thokibadagi Thiba Khangdana Leirakhiba Abdul Kadir Elias Achauba Apokpa Abdul Jalil Laifam Paubitek Mayai Lekai Hariba Miyoi Asi Ngasi Ayuk Imphal West ki Manung Chana Laiba Samuro Naure Makha Thongi Nambul Turel Mapalda Ayuk Pung Marirom Tarakpada Asiba Hakchang Oina Phangkhre Abdul Kadir Asiba Hakchang Oina Leiramle Haiba Pau Hek Tabadagi JAC amasung Paubitek Miyamna Mayai Lambi Thingduna Irang Horpadagi Miyam Adubu Laksinaba Police na Tia Gas Kaptuna Tankhaiki Abdul Kadir gi Asiba Hakchang adu Forensic Science ki team ama mafam aduda laktuna yengsilaba matung postmortem gi damak pukre thaudok asigi matangda Wangoi constituency gi MLA Khuraijam Lokena mafam aduda laktuna yengsilaba matung misi asi akanba moongda kandem tawbatana tana misi asi da January-ba miyoi sing mara lairam labadi matik chaba logi oiba thabak soidana laukhatkani haina miyamda thajaba pikhi loinana mafam aduda IPS Gaurak Dograsu Laktuna Yenglaba Matung, Paumi Singda Fogdokibada, Taudok Asiga Mari Lainana, Haujik Paubugi Oina, Mui Mapan, Faduna Wahang Pahongcha Tabahore, Makata na Jenaba Sing Fana Bahotnari, Miamsu Makata na investigation Toba Seda, Cooperate Tobio Haina Fogdoki.
Ogi Masi, Puggy, Muzikchi, Masi, Mari Mani Surema, Obudi Man, Kai. Mental disabled orang ayam tengah pun ini cing nau cing am muai tabat tu baru ini ini jahan ber. Jika ibu sudah ni lagi terbangang si orang lagi kan nanti nak orang tu mai ke budi ini apa mama Khangdana ni si lagi tahu mau anda map tu kita berlaga mau isu lagi mau dia juga yang tu masih ni si jauh tu kalau map hati tu ay nama yang lepas itu tu jadi ni si jauh tu map tu kita madu dah hat presiden ni bami ni map Kamadi Sakar Pazamiam Namadu Penafi Tokis Sima Lady Ba Marul Pazai now Mara labor meeting to be Pazamian and the Significant Siaro Charmisan Amasan Jadi lepas tu, aku tu mesti dia amat tak ini naik nama tu mari sabtana ini harus saya.
Gaurav Dogra IPS. I'm Additional SP Operations in Phal West. This press bite is related to the update in one of the missing cases of Chesam Abdul Kadir. During further investigation in the case, it was revealed that the person has already died and was buried somewhere. In the morning today, the body was exhumed in presence of forensic team, executive magistrate, and the family members, while complying with all the necessary formalities. It is. I would like to mention here that an FIR was already registered in the case, and 9 arrests have already been made so far. Efforts are being put in by the district police to identify the other people who were co-accused and arrest them very soon. Meanwhile, we request all the people in the locality and everywhere else to please cooperate with district police so that we can speeden up the efforts to arrest the accused person. Thank you.